All right, guys, welcome back to Southern Champion Garage. I'm Noah. This is Josh. Today we are, well, we're buffing and cutting the boat, ain't we?
That's right.
So we're gonna get this thing shined up, and this is a a Team Blazer boat? This is a really nice boat.
Yeah, I don't know the year model of it, but a buddy of mine, he asked, could we try it? And I've monkeyed around with boats over the years. We had some Sea-Doo boats, had that purple, and back before I got anything serious to work with, we made it look like glass back 20 years ago, and just never really thought much about it, trying to even fool with boats. But they got a parade coming up. This is the fishing team for the high school, and they doing a fantastic job, I think, on the leaderboard this year.
Oh yeah.
But we're trying to get it all shined up and dressed up. They're gonna put this thing in a parade. It's coming up Friday, I believe it is. So far, it looks like glass.
I'm gonna bring you guys in here and let you check it out.
So
this thing's crazy looking.
Like I say, he said it's not brand new. Of course, we know that, but we're gonna try to make it look as brand new as possible. So we're gonna.
Right there.
This is just a piece I did a test run, and I just took some. We cleaned it up with water and everything, but it's been sitting outside a couple of days. This in the elements, but I went over it with a little bit of Safeway or Sprayway glass cleaner, just kind of knock off any kind of dirt that landed on it. I want to buff that in, but this gel coat, I mean, it's reacting really nice.
Yeah,
and a lot of people are like, oh, well, that's not going to work, and this and that and the other. But y'all, this kind of pro compound is not just for automotive. So if you get on there and look, it polishes everything. So I've actually used it on boats before, and I mean, I've ran in the water with them, and I've always had a good turnout. But I actually took my boat and scuffed it up on the part that actually hits the water, and like I say, it was a purple Sea-Doo boat, and just really got a good, something to grab onto. And I clear coated it with automotive clear, and that was just a 2K high quality clear, and that thing lasted for years. I never had any trouble with it. But you can buy the gel and mix it up and shoot these things if it gets where this don't work. But I would try this first, because I mean, you see the difference in this. It's just night and day. That actually bringing that silver back, it's done turned kind of a gray, but that's the metal flake that you're seeing. So I mean, there's nothing coming off on the pad. As you can see, this is just our compound color. But we actually hit this with the other pad. We got a three-stage pad, but what we're doing is just cutting it, and then we're going to polish it out with just the black pad. And was kind of seeing what that looked like. But we kind of strapped on time today. We're going to do what we can. Got some rain coming in the morning. But after the rain tomorrow, we're going to jump back out on this one and get it knocked out, because I promised him we'd have this thing ready before Friday. And after that, we got another vehicle to get to. So just want to give y'all a look at. And I mean, if y'all got boats, y'all hit us up too. I mean, it's not just cars. I mean, if it can be your lawnmower. I mean, I don't know. Bring me your Craftsman,
Right.
Your old OG Craftsman lawnmower. We can polish the hoods up.
That's right.
So
Gonna show you guys a little close up right here.
yeah, it looks really nice.
And a little bit around the boat too, so that way y'all can reflect back. But
yeah, you can see the reflection. Like, probably need the light. I could bring the LED out here, but if you put your hand over it, you can see a good reflection here. Here you can't see anything.
yeah, he's wanting to put some new decals on it. But man, when we get done with this thing and he puts new decals on it, this is gonna be a brand new boat. Like, this thing's gonna look crazy.
Yep, that's gonna turn out really nice. Because the thing is like, if it reacts up here like that, then down here is gonna be.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be nice.
Which, I mean, let's go ahead and just do it. Let's do a quick test place here where y'all can see. We had some issues with the gel coat here. I think it had a little bust in it, and it got behind it. So I'm just gonna see what happens there.
All right. Real time action here.
Well, I pulled my cord.
Extension cord come loose.
One day we're gonna have the shop finished where we could be in there.
That's right.
But for the time being, we're making it work.
You can barely see it.
Yeah, and I think it's just like I say, it's got a little bust in the gel coat right here, and that water gets back behind this thing, and it causes a delam. So
Yeah.
it's no different than your clear coat on a car. If it gets behind it, I don't know if you can really see anything from that angle.
I was gonna say it's so shiny from the camera view, you can't really see nothing.
Yeah.
That's crazy. Maybe that's a little bit better view for y'all.
Let me get this spot right here and see if you can see it any better. I think we're gonna just go back over this thing with a wash it again.
Yeah.
I'm seeing some.
Got some trash.
It looks like where we've missed it.
Oh, okay. Metal flake popping, buddy. Shine it up. Ugh. It's so shiny on camera. Can barely make out what we're even looking at.
Yeah, it's hard to see, but when the sun hits it, you're gonna be able to tell a big difference in it.
Yeah.
I thought you might be able to see those angles, but the sun is not cooperating.
Yeah.
So anyway, we're gonna work on this thing and try to get it cleaned up, shined up. We're actually gonna hit this too. So give this a little quick run over to kind of see what this looks like. And then we'll get after it. Yeah, we're gonna definitely have to clean it a little bit better because my pad's getting dirty. Excuse me. Had the good old taquito from Whataburger.
Yeah, buddy.
So that's in the center, so you can get kind of an idea.
Got that shine for sure.
From here, you can definitely see it.
Yeah, you can see it from here too.
But we can polish it up way more than that. That's just uh-oh, sorry.
I can't even see where I'm at. Everything's reflecting.
That's the way we like it.
Look at the camera and it trips me out.
I want to shine bright like a diamond. Just
Yeah,
wait,
buddy.
wait till he puts it in the water.
Oh,
I'll
I know.
get through with it.
Water's reflecting off of it too.
Yeah, the water, the sun. This thing's gonna look like crazy.
Yep.
So anyway, still not sponsored by Bang, but you know, we're keeping it up.
That's right. This guy's had a bang since we started this channel.
Yeah, you know, it's too hot for coffee when you're working, so we get this bangenergy.com. This is just, I like the flavor. Peach, mango. No, we're not getting sponsored. I wish we were, but you know, they say they got 300 milligrams of caffeine in them. So I have to have a lot of octane to keep me going. So sounds like an info commercial, right? but it's not. So anyway, y'all pick and choose your own caffeinated poison, but this one is my go-to. Yeah.
10 out of 10 taste. He definitely recommended to anybody.
Yep. They get hard to find.
Getting hard to find. You go to a
Everybody-
different gas station. They ain't got it.
Everybody likes my flavor. You know what I'm
Yeah.
saying? But
Uh-huh.
like, they need to start stocking up a little bit
And
more.
what's the
in
deal
here.
with the oranges, okay? Why are those in every gas station?
Yeah, I don't know. They come out with the orange, and I
I mean,
ain't,
who likes orange?
I ain't never really been a big orange
You know?
fan. But we have got a pile of stuff going on, y'all.
We got something in the back here cooking
know?
that we're working on too. So that y'all stick around for that, okay? LS,
Yeah.
I don't know. What are we gonna do?
You hadn't showed them that, have you?
No, I ain't showed them that yet.
Yeah. Yeah, he's got a crazy build fixing to go on back there, so we got cars and trucks everywhere. But
Oh,
we got to keep it rolling, y'all. We got to keep that hustle going. We got to keep people happy, you know. I'm happy that they happy with the work that I do. So, you know, if we can make things look like that truck yesterday we done, the Trail Boss. I mean, that thing looked like showroom quality. We got through with it.
yeah,
So
that thing look brand new.
the GMC we done here a while back, the black, that thing turned out
brand new
crazy too.
Yeah.
So, you know, I don't like doing this. I don't like tooting our own horns or, you know, saying we're good or anything like that, because, you know, I've never been educated on any of this stuff. I just trial by error, trial by fire. So, but when you do a black vehicle and you can buff the thing out and it don't leave swirl marks, you're doing something. Because when you look at these trucks going on the road, I pay attention to them. I don't know if y'all do, but it just, you know, you can tell when people either don't know what they're doing or don't have the right equipment when they're leaving swirls. So you got to get the stage of pads and the actual compounds that, you know, get rid of that. Like this stuff here, the show car glaze is what we're using on the top of this thing. It's not a boat wax, but it's not going to come off because we've washed, we test this stuff out. We've washed it in Dawn dishwashing liquid and it don't dull anything. So what I'm going to suggest him do is after we get through polishing it, just run down to West Marine or, I mean, Walmart even, and you can pick up a bottle of like spray boat wax and just, you know, go over it. It'll keep this for a long, long time, and he keeps his boat inside. Yeah. So
it's like lotion.
Yeah, I mean, you got to take care of stuff.
Yeah.
But he's got a lot of scuff marks right here where, of course, where everybody gets in and out. So
yeah,
I could see right here a while ago there was a few scuff marks, and they were coming off. So it should turn out really nice. But I'm gonna probably drag out the water hose again and
gonna wash it down,
clean it down a little bit better than it is now, because I can feel some dirt that got on it just from sitting. We tried to get it good and clean, but either that or I'm just gonna go ahead and use the window cleaner and clean everything. I may do that because we don't have any sunshine today.
It takes forever to dry.
And yeah, drying is an absolute nightmare. So we'll just spray it, and I mean, it's not really that big a deal.
Yeah.
And just go and clean it up real good. And, you know, the buffing part, it's going to be a little tough trying to get down here where this thing's on the trailer. But we're going to do what we can. And hopefully everything turns out like this up here that we've already done. And I think it'll look really, really nice, because Friday's supposed to be a pretty day. It's supposed to be sunshiny. And these kids will enjoy throwing some candy out of this dude.
Nice shiny boat.
And a nice shiny rig.
Yes, sir.
We detail it down. So these colors like this, man, they pop. But even the bump rail back here, I mean, I polished it up a while ago with that black pad, and it turned out really nice. So I think it'll be pretty nice.
Yeah, buddy. Well, I guess we're gonna get started on this thing, guys, and we're gonna put you guys on a time lapse so you can see it. We'll pop you back in, let you check it out. And if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you want your boat done or car or whatever, both of our Facebook information is in the bio on our YouTube channel, but it'll also be in the bio of this video as well. So you can reach out to us there, or you can drop a comment down and we'll reach back out to you on the comment section.
Y'all take care. We'll catch back up at the end. I know y'all don't want to get bored watching all this, so we'll do what we do and show you the end result. All right, so I got the LED out, and y'all mind this daylight out here. So as you can see right here, can you see that?
Kinda, yeah.
Follow along. There's that mirror.
There it is.
You see the bulbs and the light?
That's crazy.
Yeah.
You can see that all the way down. As you follow it back up, there it goes. Getting hazy, and it's gone. And it's completely gone there.
Yeah.
So just to kind of, you know, help show the depth that we're getting out of this, y'all can see it right there. And like I say, that's just the wool pad. It's gonna be your workhorse on all these pads. This wool is just, it's hard to beat, especially metal. I mean, you can shine that metal up. Matter of fact, I hit it and I smudged it, but you could do the diamond plate with it, but I'm gonna save that for the end because
Right there is where he stopped. You can see it. It's like a line.
but like I
That's
say,
crazy.
I done that, just kind of a,
Yeah, done that too.
just a spot, but the diamond plate, I'll show y'all real quick. I don't like to do diamond plate that much because it'll tear these pads all to pieces if you don't watch what you're doing. But you can see what's happening. It's oxidized
Yeah,
coming off.
got
but,
the pad.
I don't want to do that to begin with because
Just get you a dedicated pad if you want to do that.
yeah. But what we'll do, we got an old pad, an old wool pad. That one, when we get done, we'll have to clean it. I mean, we just wash it with soap and water.
Yeah.
But we'll give it a little. That's just a couple seconds just running over that, but I don't know if you can really see it, but from here you can kind of see the mirror starting to come back.
Yeah, it's lightening it up.
Yeah, it's from different angles, but I can see it pretty good. But when we get into that and I swap pads over where I can really get after it, I ain't worried about tearing the pad up. This wool pad is a little bit more expensive than the one I got in the shed. It's kind of like a Harbor Freight special, and I don't mind just destroying it. This one, it's a little bit more pricey pad, but you can get different grains and different quality pads, but it'll shine that diamond plate up. So anyway, we're moving on, y'all.
Perfect.